Hi everyone, it's Zoe from Open Sight Hampshire. I am the smartphone advisor for visually impaired people. I'd like to show you a brilliant, fairly new option on your iPhones and iPads if you're iOS 14 or earlier, which allows you to set up actions and shortcuts just by tapping the back of your phone. Okay, so let's go through it. Now I use Voiceover on my phone because I'm visually impaired. I also have colour contrast, which makes writing bigger is one of the options, and also the colour contrast, so I've got black background with white text. So let's get going. So if we go into settings, and now we're going to find accessibility.
Bluetooth, mobile, person, sounds haptic, do not just screen type, general, controls, display, home screen, accessibility,
double tap.
Accessibility features help you customize your iPhone to your individual needs.
Okay, and then we're going to scroll down till we find touch.
Zoom, display, motion, spoken, audio, physical, touch, button.
Touch, double tap.
Assisted touch, off. Button.
Okay, and then we're going to scroll more or less down to the bottom to find back tap.
Touch if tap wait if but when this call or back double or verticals double or triple tap double back tap.
There it is.
Button.
Back tap, double tap.
Double tap.
Right.
None. Button.
So you get the option to set up two shortcuts or actions, one with a double tap on the back of the phone and the other one with a triple tap. So let's have a look at the double tap first.
Double tap, none.
So I go into there. Now on the screen is a long menu of different options of how you can, or what you can set up with this double tap. I won't go through all of them now. If you want more information about these other options, please get in contact with me and I'll be happy to help. But I want to show you how you can set it as a double tap to then have the whole screen read to you.
Reachability, screenshot, shake, Siri, spotlight, volume down, volume up, accessibility.
So these are all the options that you can choose.
Classic invert, magnifier, smart invert, speak screen.
Okay, so this is the one I want to show you. This allows you, once it's set up, to, if you've got a document, an email, even if you're reading a book that hasn't got audio to it, you can get the phone to speak the screen content, so it will read all the text that's on your screen. Okay, so if I select this,
speak screen selected.
Okay, now where I have Voiceover on, she will break in sometimes with her voice over the voice that is going to read the screen, but you can always turn Voiceover off if you're reading something important that's quite a long document or a book. You can turn your own Voiceover off, so you can just listen to the speak screen. Now my phone is in a wallet case, okay? It's quite a thick leathery wallet case. I'm going to show you just by tapping the back of my phone, it will read the screen for me. Okay, so tap tap.
Selected. Speak screen. Control center home. Scroll gestures. Scroll down. Scroll up. Shortcuts. AirDrop screenshot. Browse photos. Corvettes. Clip article to notes. Clip article to notes. Dictate contact.
Okay, so she's reading through all of the different options that you could choose.
Shortcut 1. New tweet. Off to work. Petersfield Library. Recognize open product. Running late. Say cheese. Short text. System. Heading. Start my personal meeting. None. Accessibility shortcut system. App switcher. Control center home. Lock screen. Mute. Notification center.
You can slow down the speed of her talking.
Siri. Spotlight. Volume down.
I don't know if I can do it without
Accessibility. Assistive touch.
Voiceover.
Speak screen. Playback speed. 2x. Playback control. 0.5. Voiceover. Zoom.
So I've slowed her down.
Gestures. Scroll down. Playback speed. 0.5x. Screenshot. Browse photos. Call vets.
Okay, so on the controller that comes up when you're speaking the screen, there are options on there: pause, fast forward, rewind, and there's a speech rate. Okay, I'm just going to stop here. So that gives you an idea of how it works, and I think if you have trouble swiping down the screen with 2 fingers to hear the whole screen read, the whole content, then this might be an option for you. Now, the triple tap is exactly the same. You get the same menu come up with all the different options of actions or shortcuts that you can choose from. It just means that for this one, whatever you choose will be triple tap on the back of the phone rather than a double tap. So for instance, if I select accessibility shortcut, now if you don't know what that is, get in touch, I can show you how, but it's a shortcut to bring up all of the or the most used accessibility features you use on your iPhone. So if I select this one and then triple tap on the back of my phone, you'll see the menu that I've set up for my accessibility shortcut.
Alert. Accessibility shortcuts.
Okay, so I don't know, let me just
magnifier button.
So the first one I've got on my accessibility shortcut is magnifier, which I tend to use if I need to read some text. Rarely use it these days, but Smart Invert. Smart Invert is what you see is where I've got the black background with the different coloured writing to make it clearer for me when I am using the little vision I have. And
selected
Voiceover, which is what you can hear talking when I'm touching the screen.
Voice control.
And voice control. This is an option that you can control your phone by your voice, not just with Siri, you can also do it with voice control. That's another tutorial, and obviously the cancel button. So that one will bring up my accessibility feature by triple tapping. I hope you found this useful. If you would like to have a tutorial on this or anything accessibility wise on your smart devices, so to make them more accessible for your eye condition, please get in touch with me at Open Sight Hampshire. I do one-to-one tutorials on Zoom. Also I do them over the phone, and I can also send you tutorial videos like this where you can follow it at your own leisure and set it up, and then come back to me if you have any questions or queries, or if you want to learn more. So to contact me, you can call 02380 641 244, or you can email info@opensight.org.uk. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Open Sight Hampshire, where you will find more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching.